I won't just survive. Oh, you will see me thrive. Can write my story. I'm beyond that archetype. I won't just conform. No matter how you shape my core. 'Cause my roots, they run deep.
Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to hopefully get my new engine and my Civic. So that's the plan for today. So actually I got these hasport mounts right here. I'm very excited. Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm actually going to finally be able to get my ekk2 engine that I've had sitting at my house for like a week or two actually in my Civic. So just about 10-15 minutes ago these hasport mounts showed up. I've been waiting on these for a while. It looks like all of the hardware actually came with the kit, besides these two bolts that go on the left-hand side. Can you zoom in there? So these two bolts I had to get from Honda, and it's gonna obviously bolt down that bracket that goes over here. That was on those bolts were like $1.50 each at Honda, so it actually really wasn't too bad. I thought they were gonna be like $20 each, because that's usually how it goes. So I'm gonna pull up the diagram. There's actually a diagram by Hasport that shows you how to install all these mounts and brackets. So I'm actually gonna pull that up real quick and then get to it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I just typed in hasport ekk2 install, and then there's a PDF, and it goes through everything. So again, I'm using the ekk2 because I'm using the Integra subframe, or the DC2 subframe and steering rack. So yeah, we'll get started on that. So the first step it tells you to do is to mount the rear mount onto the subframe, and so there's a picture and it shows that I just take this and it says on their rear, it says EGK. I imagine that works for EKK, or the ekk2. It's kind of confusing, but I'm assuming it's going to work. It's just because the subframe I'm using is the DC2, which is the same as the EG. Because the other mounts say ekk2 because that's the mount kit I got. So it says to put this rear mount on here and bolt it in, and should go just like that. So I should be able to bolt that in real quick. That looks good. Okay. So I'll admit I'm not like a professional race car builder or anything. So I really don't know the hardware I'm supposed to use for that rear mount. Hasport. So with the Hasport kit, you get this bag of hardware, and I don't really know, what size is what. So I'm just gonna start bolting other stuff together, and kind of whatever I have left over, I'm gonna use on that rear mount. I know that's obviously not the best way to do it, but that's what I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna bolt. Like I said, you have to buy these bolts from Honda, and I'll bolt this left-hand bracket, and that seems very simple. Almost too simple. I feel like I'm doing it wrong since it's so simple.